is Rupa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about decimal fractions. This is part 2. Means in previous video we have learnt how to read decimal fractions, how to write place values of decimal fractions and expanded form of decimal fractions. In today's video, we are going to learn about types of decimal fractions and comparisons of decimal fractions. Okay, let us see what is the types, means how many types of decimal fractions are there. Okay, see here types of decimal fractions. First one is like decimal fractions. In this, if two decimal fractions have equal number of decimal places, they are called like decimal fractions. Means here in the decimal places, if the equal number is there, means after the point how many digits is same in the both numbers, then we call it as a like decimals. Here I am showing some examples. In the first one, 0.05. 05, how many digits are there after point? There is 2, right? In the next number also 2.32. Here 32 is also after the point, only 2 digits are there, right? And 15.19. Here is also after decimal point 19, means 2 digits also, 2 digits only is there. Then 160.50. Here 50 is also only two digits, right? So here all the numbers are called like decimal fractions, because all after the decimal means after the point only 2 digits are there in all the numbers which have given in the examples, right? So these numbers are called, means after the decimal points, if the number of digits is equals to the next other number, then we call it as a like decimal fractions. Okay, clear this? Next second one is unlike decimal fractions. What is unlike? Means you all, I think you all little idea about this, because like means same, unlike means differ, right? So here two decimal fractions are unlike if they have unequal number of decimal places. Means here after the point how many number of digits is not equals to the other number, decimal fraction number. Okay, let us see example here. 3.1 means here after the point how many decimal places are there? Only 1. Then point 0.15, in the second number we have 2 digits, means 2 decimal places are there. And 6.145, here also 3 digits are there. So 3 numbers have different decimal places, number of decimal places are different. So these numbers we call it as unlike decimal fractions. Okay, and next one is the third one, that is equivalent decimal fractions. So this is the third one in the types of decimal fractions. Take the decimal fractions like 0.3, 0.30, 0.300. They are equal in value, each to 3/10. Such such decimal fractions are called equivalent decimal fractions. Here you observe after the decimal place decimal number, the number is same in all the three numbers, right? Means 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, right? Means after the 3 there is no values, right? Means zeros are there, right? Because these type of numbers are called equivalent decimal fractions. Means there is no change in the value, right? 0.3 is also equals to 0.30 or 0.300. The value is same, right? Because after the decimal point 3 is only there, right? Are called equivalent decimal fractions. Point here I am showing some more examples. 0.200 is equals to 0.20 is equals to 0.2 because all the numbers are equal in the value. Okay. Next, second one, 0.0400 is equals to 0.040 is equals to 0.04. And here is also the equal is 0.04. The value is same. And the third one is 7.00600 is equals to 7.0060 is equals to 7.006. Okay, here the note is there. Adding any number of zeros at the extreme right in the decimal part does not change the value of the decimal fractions. Okay, extreme right in the decimal part there is no change, means zeros. If the zeros in the extreme right in the decimal places, there is no change in the value of the decimal fractions. Okay. And the next one, the comparison of decimal fractions. Let us see how to compare the two decimal fractions. Okay. When we compare two decimal fractions, first we compare the whole number part of the fraction. Means we need to first check the whole number parts. Obviously, the decimal fraction with the greater whole number is greater. Okay. The second point, in the both the decimal fractions, if the whole number part is same or 0, then we compare the decimal fractions by their tenths. If they have the same digits in the tenths place, then we compare them by their hundredths digit and so on. Okay, if the decimal fraction, if the whole number part is same, means if the first before the point number we call it as a whole number, right? That part is same, consider that part is same, then same or 0, then we compare the decimal fraction. Then when we what we'll do, we'll go for the decimal fraction, right? If the tenth place is same, then again we check in the hundredths digit. Like that we need to compare which number is greater, then we'll write the greater one or the smallest numbers. Okay, here I am showing some examples. Compare 16.25 and 18.45. Solution: 18.45 is greater than 16.25 because 18 is greater than 16, right? Yes. So here that is we need not to go for the decimal places because here the whole number only we can compare which one is greater, right? So here 18 is greater than 16. Okay. Then next one is example 2, which is greater 0.46 or 0.08. Let us see here in the solution place. Okay, the whole number part is 0 in the same in the both the numbers, right? So then what we need to do next, we need to go for the second means decimal places, right? So we chosen here 4 and the 0, means the first decimal tenth decimal place is 4 and 0 in the numbers, both the numbers. So 4 is the greater than 0, right? Yes, that's why here 0.46 is greater than 0.08. And example third one is arrange the following decimal fractions in ascending order, that is 0.37 and 1.64 and 0.052. Okay, here which is the what is ascending order? What is mean by ascending order? Means small to big. So we need to arrange these three numbers in the smaller one to bigger one. Okay, so here which is the smaller one? 0.052 is a smaller one because 0 is smaller than in the first we need to check the whole numbers, right? So here 1 is greater in the whole number, and so what we need to write first, we need to check the smallest number in these numbers, right? So we need to choose the zeros, and here the whole number places both the 0.37 and 0.052 is zeros. So then what we need to check again, the decimals number, decimal places number. So here 0.37, 0.052, right? So 0.3 and 0.0, which is a smaller one here, that is 0.052 is a smaller one. So 0.052 first and 0.37 and 1.64. So here why we wrote like this means here 0.52 is less than 0.37 and 1.64. Thank you for watching, and please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.